This week we're going to be talking about the verb be and other helping verbs, but today we're just talking about the verb be. So what is the verb be? You've probably heard about it, but you might not know exactly what it is because it's an irregular verb. Irregular means that it doesn't follow the normal rules of verbs. The verbs am, is, are, was, and were are forms of the verb be. Different subjects of sentences use different forms of the verb be. So for example, I am interested in rivers. Am is a form of the verb be, and it's paired with I. I am interested in rivers. Another example is the Nile River is very long. Is goes with the subject, the Nile River. This is where it gets tricky because there's no rules exactly that tell you which subject uses which form of the verb. However, you speak English, so you have that advantage, and you should know what sounds correctly, or what sounds right. Here's another example. We were excited about the nature movie. We were, not we was. Am, is, and are show the present tense. Was and were show the past tense. So you can see that we were excited about the nature movie. We were excited, meaning that we were before. It was exciting, not right this second, previously. Acorns blank the seeds of oak trees. Am or are? Well, first I have to determine what is the subject of that sentence. Can you say it out loud if you can find the subject of that sentence? Good. The word acorns is the subject of the sentence. So what is the correct form of the verb to use? Acorns am or acorns are? Are, yes, for sure are. So the sentence should read, acorns are the seeds of oak trees. Get ready for another one. Bark blank protection for a tree. First, what is the subject of the sentence? Say it with me. 3, 2, 1. Bark. Ha, did I get you? Now, what is the correct verb form? Bark is protection for a tree or bark are protection for a tree? Is the correct form. So bark is protection for a tree. Here are your practice questions. Write the correct verb written in parentheses. Read each sentence. Decide what be verb you should use in the sentence. Pay close attention. Pause the video if you need to.